So can call one only phenomenon and keep us. If you see them out who they talk, if you should dear. Yes, so
stop shaking your head. But that's sacrifice for you. Stop shaking your head. You're one of those who are accustomed to they gave you chieftaincy, a young boy, so you don't even know what to do with it. And then when I'm speaking, you're shaking your head.
70 years old man.
Oh, fake. Cause some problem everywhere. You just go and wear something that's bigger than you really somebody looking for power. You would think that's an elderly person, very small young man. This man.
You two they talk. The thing said I saw in mind. Say lie. Yes, so Wike, he will campaign for him. It will be which he trusted everything to Wike.
We will come here and stay with you, listen to you, and be able to do what the state wants. But we'll come for campaign.
It's a
project, and I thank you. I've listened to what you said, that I should advise Labour people that they should be careful about the state. I will talk to them. Me and them will negotiate and say, oh God, any neighbor. So Jesus! Or a blind center. Is it not? If we leave state for them, if we leave federal for us now. So we will negotiate it. You know you are in charge.
photo.
And we will not quarrel with you. Anybody who quarrels with you doesn't know what he's doing. I will not try it. I'm begging. Please, give us this one. Take all the worst one. We will come up for you.
All your properties, all your motors, and give a P2B. So today, what is happening? Fear your enemy.
Jesus!
I know who is your enemy. Yes, so Wike is the enemy of P2B. I have to say it. He took their talk. If he talk, he still saying I saw he carry him for mine. It's a lie. It's a lie. He betrayed his brothers. One name, all you put one name, all the cake. But thank God that whatever you do in River State,
continue.
the nation is still speak for P2B. The masses, the youth of Nigeria are stand firm for P2B. But Wike, one thing I will assure you that you see in that seat of power, you can't stay there forever. Very soon, you have to pack out, another government will enter. That's how it be. So there is no mequatarism for there. So that is it. If you like, betray your brother. If you know like, don't betray your brother. That's why it's what Nnamdi Kanu is always saying. You know that Nnamdi Kanu is always taught many things for you, but people regard it say that Nnamdi Kanu is not getting it right. But today, what is happening? You betray your own brothers. You betray your own blood. How is a bit and shame. But never mind. But please, when you are across this my video, please share it. Share this video. Share the video so that our people get